Hello everyone and welcome to another set of special saver bundles at Tonic Studios. We put out bundles every weekend at 30% off, and this weekend's no different, and it's a craft perfect weekend, and we've given a bit of a literature theme this weekend. So I'm going to go through the bundles, and they're brilliant this week. So we'll go through them, see if you can recognize where they've drawn inspiration from. And yeah, they're great savings to be made on the weekend. So we're going to kick it off with 7 shades of grey here, some luxurious greys, metallics and silvers, for something maybe a bit more serious with your makes. But yeah, you go in the direction that you want with those. We have got Hidden Garden here, and this is greens. So we've got specialty papers with them. We've got mirror cards, bright yellows and some golds as well. So yeah, add some mystery to your cards there. Next up, we have got Victorian Romance. So these are lighter whites and blues, again with those wonderful speciality card stock there, where you can see that lovely rose detail on there. But you've also got the papers there and some classic card stock. So you've got you both covered through a lot of these. You've got classic card mixed with specialty paper and specialty card all in one bundle. So it's got you covered on that. Next, we've got the Queen of Hearts here, which is a romantic bundle, but you've got darks as well, so you've got sort of a more regal look to it as well, and you've got a lovely glitter card. If you've tried our glitter card before, you'll know minimal shed and just quality craft perfect cardstock that you come to expect from Tonic Studios. Then we've got Summer Adventure, which is a bright rainbow coloured optimistic colours of cardstock for you there, all in classic cardstock, and yeah, really bright poppy colours. And then treasure chest here that we have, which are golds and organic colours, so browns, woods, creams, and wonderful specialty cards and papers again there. So yeah, all these bundles are available this weekend at 30% off on the UK and US stores. So wherever you are in the world, you'll be able to order from one of those stores at great shipping rates as well and make a saving. So hopefully you've enjoyed looking at these bundles today. And until next time, see you soon. Bye.